Class 10, exercise number 4.4, question number 9. Show that the angle bisector of a triangle are concurrent. Here we have the triangle. Let me take it as triangle A, B, C. Let me take it as A, B, C. Here it is the angle bisector. Here it is a angle bisector. If I draw a line from A to B, so this is the angle bisector. These two angles are equal. Now let me take it as D. And also from B and C also we have the line. Then the points of the angle bisector meets that point is, we have to show that is a concurrent. Here we are using the Chiva's theorem. Let's see that solution. AD and then B to E, right, like this. Here we have the concurrent, that is B, E and then C to F. Here we have the point B, E and then C, F are the angle bisector of, are the angle bisector of angle A, angle B and the angle C respectively, right? Now see here, AD is a bisector of angle A. Here we have the angle bisector theorem. AD is the angle bisector, means we have the formula AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC. BD divided by DC. Let me take it as equation number 1. And then same way, here we have the triangle like this. That is A, B, C. If you draw an angle bisector from B, this is E, right? So from B to E, we have the form BC divided by BA or AB. See here, BC angle bisector, BC divided by BA and then CE divided by AE. So BC, so here we take it as BE is a bisector of angle B, then BC divided by AB or BA is equal to CE divided by EA or AE. Let me take it as equation number 2, AE, right? And then the third diagram is, this is the triangle. Let me draw like this. From C, here we have the angle bisector C. This is B to E. This is B to E. We want to show that this point is a concurrent. So from here, the third point from C we are drawing that is A, B, C. C to F is the angle bisector, right? CF is the angle bisector of angle C. CF is a bisector of angle C. Then AF, right? Let's take it as AC divided by BC. These two sides, this is the angle bisector. So AC divided by BC or CB is equal to AF divided by FB. AF divided by FB. This take as equation number 3. Just imagine this triangle is like this. This is C, this is B, this is A. CF, right? So this side AC divided by BC, these two sides, and then AF divided by FB, right? Now we are going to prove the Chiva's theorem multiplying equation number 1, 2 and 3. In LHS side we are multiplying all the three equations. See that LHS side is AB divided by AC into BC divided by AB into AC divided by BC is equal to, the RHS side is BD divided by DC into CE divided by AE into AF divided by FB. We want to prove that this term is equal to 1. See here AB is cancelled and AC is cancelled, BC is cancelled, that is 1 is equal to BD divided by DC into CE divided by AE into AF divided by FB, right? So this whole term became cancelled, this is 1 equal to, therefore here we can write like this term we have changed like this, BD divided by DC into CE divided by AE into AF divided by FB is equal to 1. This is the Chivas formula. So by Chivas theorem, the bisector of AD and BE and CF are concurrent, right? This is the formula of Chivas theorem. By this condition we can say the bisector of AD, BE and CF are concurrent. The bisector of AD and BE and CF are all the points are concurrent. Thank you, students.